Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be talking about how to stay motivated to lose weight. Before I begin this video, I want to make it clear that this video is not about body shaming or forcing everyone to lose weight. You can love your body and still want to lose weight. So, this video is specifically for people who have already decided that they want to lose weight or have already started making lifestyle changes but are struggling on their journey and need some encouragement to stay motivated and keep going. So, today I will go over positive actions you can do to stay motivated on your weight loss journey. I will talk about negative habits that prevent you from losing weight, and I will also give you some tips to help your weight loss journey. Weight loss is all about creating a new lifestyle that is healthier. If you have started your weight loss journey, you should feel proud that you are taking steps to improve your health inside and out. If you are just getting started, then talk positively about your weight loss journey and say all the steps you are going to take and commit to it out loud to manifest it into the universe. According to a study done by YouGov Global Profiles, 52% of global consumers are usually trying to lose weight. So you are not alone on this journey. Weight loss is a mix of healthy eating, exercising, and mindset training. When all the necessary aspects of weight loss or staying in shape ever feel like they are too much, always make sure to give yourself a pep talk about where you were and how far you've come. It's the little accomplishments that lead to your big end goal. So these are some ways to stay motivated daily. First, determine why you want to lose weight to begin with. Your why is the most important reason to keep you going when times get hard. Put into perspective what losing weight can help you achieve and make sure your reason is personal and not for anyone else's benefit. Are you losing weight because you want to be healthier and prevent diseases? Is there a fitness goal you want to achieve, like climbing a mountain, being able to run for 30 minutes, or joining a sports team? Are you trying to fit into different outfits you have in your closet so you can have an amazing photo shoot? Or even if you want to lose weight to improve your self esteem and feel more confident. These are all valid reasons to start your weight loss journey. You just have to know what yours is and make it clear. Next, set some realistic expectations. Gaining weight takes time, and so losing the weight does too. So, create healthy goals about weight loss and don't get discouraged if you're unable to drop a big amount of weight in a short amount of time. Don't buy into advertisements and marketing schemes about being able to lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks because they set an unrealistic standard in your mind. And if you don't achieve it, or if you only lose single digits, then you might feel like you're not making progress. Don't get wrapped into the world of dieting. Weight loss companies purposely prey on people's lowest impulses and emotions, or worse, exploit your desire to lose weight and pinpoint your insecurities to make you feel ashamed of the progress you're trying to make. On the other hand, large food companies only like to advertise unhealthy foods like fast foods, restaurant chains, candy, or processed foods. You never see advertisements for tomatoes, broccoli, herbs, or spices. The only healthy advertisements that are promoted are for water or nuts like peanuts or pistachios. So avoid listening to or watching advertisements about food. Just hit the mute button because nothing good can come from them. That being said, the next way to stay motivated is to celebrate your successes. Instead of getting down on yourself about not hitting your goals, switch your perspective to what you are accomplishing every single day. Did you choose a healthier option for dinner? Do a little dance. Did you exercise this week? Give yourself a hug. Did you meal prep your lunches for the week? Twerk it out. Did you drink a whole gallon of water today? Look in the mirror and tell yourself you did a good job. Every small win is still a win. Make yourself laugh and smile and show yourself gratitude for all the things you did accomplish instead of focusing on the things you didn't do. Each small action leads to big results in the end. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. Jillian Michaels. One of the worst habits you can have is skipping meals. When you skip meals or stop eating completely, your body goes into starvation mode and your brain cues your body to slow down functions to conserve energy and burn less calories. So, when you are trying to achieve weight loss, it will be slowed down and you will likely regain the weight as soon as you start eating normally again. Skipping meals also causes your cells and body to crave food, and you will end up eating a lot more or eat unhealthy foods because you're trying to curb your hunger. Another bad habit is trying to exercise too much without changing your diet or changing your diet but not exercising. You need healthy eating habits and an exercise routine to lose weight and keep it off. Choosing to focus on just one or the other won't be beneficial in losing weight. Eating unhealthy foods and then trying to overwork yourself in the gym will only cause burnout, possibly vomiting, and will make you feel like nothing you do when you work out is working. But the opposite is also true. Just because you've changed your diet doesn't mean the weight will automatically fall off if you're living a sedentary life. Changing your eating habits will definitely help you lose some weight compared to not changing your diet. But if you aren't exercising enough, you won't build any muscle or tone your body. Building muscle helps to increase weight loss because it raises your metabolic rate or the amount of calories your body burns while at rest. Muscle is the most metabolically active tissue in the human body, and it uses up a lot of calories daily. Muscles burn more calories than fat, even when both are at rest. So, when you build muscle, your body can use that to lose fat. Trying to do everything alone can be another reason it is hard for you to lose weight. Once you feel like you are proud of yourself and you are feeling positive about your journey, find social support. The worst part of trying to eat healthy or work out alone is you aren't surrounded with like minded people. And you may feel singled out for your eating habits. You can feel like no one cares about their health except for you. Or you might even face criticism or negative comments by people who are jealous or feel threatened by your decision to better yourself. Trying to lose weight alone can be hard, so finding a group of people that have the same mindset and share the same challenges or have the same experiences can really be beneficial. Having a coach or trainer to provide you with motivation, accountability, and support can also have a huge impact on whether you keep putting in the work to change. Limit processed and sugary foods. Processed foods are high in calories and contain unhealthy ingredients that can make you feel like you're not losing any weight no matter how much you work out. So switch to whole foods instead that have more vitamins, nutrients, and contain fiber that will help cleanse your body from the inside out. I have a separate video on the effects of sugar in the body, which I will link down below. Meal prep a minimum of 2 meals a day that include fruits and vegetables. To lose weight, you have to eat balanced meals. Not eating only puts your body into starvation mode and causes you to actually hold on to your weight because your body is trying to keep you alive. So, eating helps your body keep functioning and increases your metabolism. But when you are eating, make sure you are incorporating fruits and vegetables because they can remove fat cells and other harmful toxins in your body. I also have another video on mindful eating, which I will also put down below. Drink a lot of water. Most people don't realize that the more water you drink, the more weight you can lose. That's because it is calorie free. It helps to reduce bloating by keeping your digestive system moving. It boosts your metabolism by helping flush out toxins from the body, which means you can produce more energy so that you can exercise and burn calories while at rest. Drinking water can also help to suppress your appetite so you are not hungry in between meals and crave less snacks and sweets. Everyone's body is different, so there is no set amount for every person to drink. The best way to know if you're drinking enough water is to check your pee after you use the bathroom. Your pee should be clear. If it has a yellow tint, you're not drinking enough water. And worse, if it has a brown tint, you are dehydrated. To help increase your water consumption, purchase a gallon size water bottle. I use a gallon size water bottle daily that has encouraging messages on the side that keeps you motivated to keep drinking throughout the day. You only have to refill it once a day, and you might not even need to drink the whole gallon until you get clear pee. But it gives you a standard of how much water you should be drinking in a day. I'll link the water bottle I use in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic living tips.